In today's video, I'll teach you how to get Rosalia font on Instagram. First of all, launch open Instagram. You can see over here, Instagram has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. At bottom, you'll be able to find various icons over here. Tap on the plus icon. Now you'll be able to create the post, story, reel, etc. Make sure story option is selected. Now right over here, you'll be able to find various icons. Tap on the text icon, that is AA icon. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to type. Simply tap on the screen. Now you'll be able to see the text that is selected right now. If you want to get the Rosalia font, what you have to do is simply tap on the font. Keep tapping on it until Rosalia appears. If for some reason Rosalia font does not appear over here, make sure your application is updated. For that, open the Play Store. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Search for Instagram. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for Instagram and tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find two options, uninstall and update. If you find the open option over here, that means your application is already updated. But if you find the update option, simply tap on it and your application will be updated. After the application is updated, you'll be able to get the Rosalia font. But still, if you're not getting the font, simply exercise your patience. Instagram is rolling out this feature to everyone. Slowly, this font will be available for everyone. Simply wait for a while. After that, the font will be available for you. So that is how you get Rosalia font on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.